Is AI causing the new businesses or improving new businesses? What do you think? I would like to tell you about that. Hi, I am Rinki Khan, your CRM expert and MSME business coach. In this video today, I would like to tell you about the AI. So, what is actually AI does? AI is an artificial intelligence where you can automate every task, every activities with it, right? So, people have a wrong perception, wrong conception about the AI, that AI has came and you can do everything by AI. Sir, wrong. I would like to tell you about my recent interaction with one of my customer. He said, मैम CRM तो बहुत बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट है, अभी AI आ गया है ना, तो हम तो AI से सब कुछ कर लेते हैं, व्हाट्सएप भी हो जाता है, ईमेल भी हो जाता है. And I asked, sir, what is the cost you have given for the AI WhatsApp API integrations? And he was just, वो तो मेरा बंदा देखता है, वो मेरा स्टाफ देखता है. And I said to him with very politely, sir, can I describe the AI into the business to you? He said, okay. So when anyone said AI WhatsApp API integration, so exactly what does do? For having the API integration, first you need to have the website with you, okay? Second, the social media platform or social media ads. Third, you need some kind of software or tools to integrate to them. Fourth is a WhatsApp API integration. Fifth, a person should take care of that integration or take care of all the activities you are doing between the customer and you. So what is the procedure? Basically, I would like to tell you in the briefing. The first procedure, there is a charge. If I talk about the charge with the procedure also, there's a third party person who takes, to create the API key, basically application performance indicated key. That's a full form of API. So that third party people, the third party agency take the 15,000 to 20,000 rupees for creating the API key for one particular platform. It can be integrated with the Facebook, it can be integrated with the Insta, it can be integrated with the website, or it can be integrated with the India Mart also. But one time, one key, API key. Okay, that's a part. It takes 15 to 20,000 rupees for creating that API. Okay, then when you integrate with that, like you have integrated that WhatsApp API integration with your website. Okay, all the website product will be listed in that website WhatsApp API. Okay, you have to create first with the Meta, creating a new account with the Meta. For the ads manager, you have to be verified with the ads manager. For that, you need a new phone number to configure with the WhatsApp API integration. Then once you have integrated with the WhatsApp to your website product will be seen in the WhatsApp. Now, how would people know about you, or how can you send them the message into their WhatsApp? How? So you have to create one type of a funnel first. Okay, there's a funnel. The funnel could be anything, like you have posted some kind of ad somewhere else and customers seen that ad and click that ad, then they have landed on the landing page and they have seen all the value proposition where your landing page have in the proper manner, and then they click from there, then they came down into your WhatsApp and your WhatsApp chatbot has been open into their numbers, and your chatbot is being saying, yes sir, what type of product your requirement, we have a variety of this in this product, and they are the size of the available, there's a color of the product is available, and this is a price basically of the product, how many quantity you have. for doing that procedure, there is someone is doing that particular thing behind that WhatsApp API integration. Okay, now people got to know through the funnel. Okay, through the funnel, for having that funnel you have to post some kind of ad somewhere else, whether that could be in Instagram, that could be on Facebook, that can be on like website also, like SEO or AdWords. But SEO won't be integrated, the SEO AdWords will be there, or you can integrate with the IndiaMart also. Say for the example, people go and search a product like tuck 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 tuck, click. I have searched a cable tray manufacturer in Kolkata. Yeah, I have searched a bookstore near me. Okay, I've seen the list, and once I clicked on the list, the website has been opened. Once I click the product on that website, click. Now they're saying chat on the WhatsApp. Click. Then I got the message on my WhatsApp. So this is the funnel basically. This could be anything, like I open a Facebook, I have scrolling, then I see an ad like a CRM mastery program is doing for students or 12 plus students or a working professional or a startup founder. As being a startup founder, I will click out there, that will land that to in my WhatsApp. Okay, so I can have a discussion with the particular ad company. Okay, so this is where the basically funnel. Creating that funnel, you need some kind of charges behind that to creating that funnel, to posting on the ad, not only the posting, to creating the creative first and doing the AdWords and the managing the social media account. You need minimum 25 to 35,000 rupees per month. That would be the spending. That will be spending on the platform cost. And if you're having some kind of IndiaMart or just the listing, so that cost you around minimum 50,000 to 2 lakhs rupees a year. This is their cost to you. Then you will integrate with those platform also. Whatever leads you are getting, whatever the inquiry you are getting, all that inquiry will be seen in your WhatsApp. Now, for maintaining this, third-party agency, Meta won't ask you. They have given to the third-party agency, and third-party agency will charge you 2,000 to 2,500 rupees for just maintaining the WhatsApp API integration with those platforms. Just a maintaining cost, minimum maintaining cost. That's called MMR. Minimum maintaining, that's called MMC. That's called minimum maintaining cost. Would be 2,000 to 2,500 per month for a WhatsApp API integration. That's for AI WhatsApp API integration. That's a maintaining cost. Now come to the messaging part. So there are three types of messaging part. First one is authentic message. Okay, authenticity, that's called. Once, say for the example, you are going to open your Gmail account from another device, and their device asks you for some kind of OTP. Okay, or you are going to purchase from online and they ask you for some kind of OTP when you feed that credit card into the platform, right? So once the OTP has been generated, that comes into your WhatsApp, that's message called authenticity. Okay, it charge you from 0.89 paisa to 97 paisa per message. Yes, per message. Okay, now second message is called a marketing. Now what is this all about? Say for the example, you got a message and there's some kind of product out there. Okay, this is a new product. Okay, the new product has been arrived, the monsoon product or whatever product has been arrived. If you want to shop more, click the link and you will land on the landing page. Okay, that's message called a marketing message. That message cost you around 0.35 paisa to 45 paisa per message. Now second message is that's called a service message. Okay, now what is this all about, service message? See, if you book an appointment somewhere else at like today 7 o'clock you have an appointment with your physician or with your doctor. So before that 7 o'clock there's a 1 hour or 1.5 half an hour you got a message from your platform that you have an appointment with the doctor A, and your schedule your appointment schedule has been at 7 o'clock. So kindly reach at there with the before that time. You need to be punctual. ठीक है, so you are getting that reminder message. Okay, that message comes to you as a service message. Or else you have booked a air ticket, and that you got a confirmation message that your air ticket has been confirmed. This is your reservation list, this is your seat list, this is your cabin list, this is your flight list, and this is your date and time. Okay, this is message also comes in a service message. So whatever service message is, that doesn't cost you anything. This is 0 paisa cost. Okay, if I talk about the costing, if you're having an online platform where you did some kind of ads, where you're running some kind of ad, that's a costing behind that. You have having an e-commerce, like if you have a 5 to 10 products, so that will be managed in the WordPress website, dynamic website. If you having more than 20 products or 50 products, so you have to create the e-commerce website that will cost you around 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs. Yes, that's a cost, because AI WhatsApp API integration will not have the so many products into their list. They will integrate somewhere else, from like a website to WhatsApp, social media to WhatsApp, or IndiaMart to WhatsApp. If you are listed in the IndiaMart, so well and good, integrate with that, and all the product will be listed into here also with the automation part. Okay, we'll come into the automation part. Now if I calculate all the cost behind that, like a 20,000 for the API integration part, and 2.5 is equal to 30,000. It's like a 50,000 for API integration key, and maintenance cost and the per messaging cost around 10,000 rupees per month. So 1.2 lakhs per year. So it's cost 7.5 lakhs total, and other thing like a social media ads is called 20,000, like a 2.40 lakhs. So it would be it would be for around 3.10 lakhs per month, per year, and for developing a website around 15. So it will cost you more than your physical product or physical office cost. So people think कि AI आ गया ना, इससे हम सब कुछ कर लेंगे. When I say this to you and that person has calculated all the thing, he said, इसका कोई solution है क्या? I said yes. There's a solution that's called Bharat Work 360, India's own CRM and HRM suite, where you can integrate with the lots of platforms like social media, WhatsApp, IndiaMart, Just Dial, Trade India, YouTube, website, whatever platform you want to integrate, you can integrate with those platforms without spending so much money. Yes, that's right, without spending so much money. Then I gave the briefing about him, and he said, "ठीक है, we will implement this, the Bharat Work 360 into our organization." So see, it's not about always the AI, it's about the thinking. If the person has a fixed mindset with him कि हाँ यही चीज ठीक है मेरे business के लिए, so their business will be that kind of running part. Okay, if that person is thinking no, we need to adapt some kind of thing, that will be easy for us, that will be low cost for us, that will be time taking, time reducing for us, and human error reducing for us. So that system would be needed in your business. But people think कि नहीं ये कर लेते हैं, वो कर लेते हैं, वो कर लेते हैं, and they're stuck doing everything by themselves. So if you want to know more about my platform that's called Bharat Work 360, so please write down me on comment, and I will love to give you the briefing about the system and the demonstration also. So see you in the next week.